So this is a pretty big model of the brain. So this is the two hemispheres, frontal lobe, parietal, occipital, temporal, cerebellum, and the midbrain with the pons and the medulla. And when you separate the two here, you can see that this is the corpus callosum, which keeps the two hemispheres together. And this cut is the longitudinal fissure. This is the lateral fissure, which separates the temporal lobe with the parietal lobe. This is the central sulcus, which goes all the way here, and it separates the precentral gyri. Whoa.
Oops. In front is the motor.
And postcentral gyri. And so it separates, this is what separates the frontal lobe and the parietal lobe.
Okay, so
Yeah, this one is the olfactory.
one,
This cranial nerve 1 olfactory, cranial nerve 2 occipital, cranial nerve 3 ocular motor, cranial nerve 4 trochlear, cranial nerve 5, which is trigeminal, cranial nerve 6, which is abducent, yeah, cranial nerve 7, which is facial, cranial nerve 8, vestibular cochlear. Around here is also cranial nerve 9 and 10, which is glossopharyngeal and vagus, cranial nerve 11, which is the accessory, and cranial nerve 12, which is the hypoglossal. So here we have the vernix,
what's colliculum?
the lateral fissure. No, sorry. So here we have the vernix, lateral fissure, and we have the two tonsils of the cerebellum. And if you split this in half, you can see the arbor vitae. Under the corpus callosum, we have the fornix, and the fornix connects to the hippocampus. Here we have the lentiform nucleus. Okay. Here we have the lentiform nucleus. Here we have the putamen, and this darker red spot is the globulus pallidus. This is also the lentiform nucleus, another view, where here we have the caudate nucleus, and this is where the amygdala would be. Putamen and globulus pallidus. And here's another view with the pons, medulla oblongata, and the midbrain. And apart from the cranial nerves, these two are the pyramids, and this is the olive.
I don't see that.
So this is the
Wait, so this
part of the
part?
diencephalon where we have the thalamus. This is the pineal gland, and this would be the purvura. And then here we have what's part of the mesencephalon, where we have the superior colliculus and the inferior colliculus. And this would be the cerebral peduncle.
Wait, what is this?
And
Pulvina?
there it is. It looks like I'm totally just reading off of it. So with this cross section, you can see the corpus callosum, the fornix, the epithalamus, and the thalamus. And you can see the pineal gland. And is someone knocking? Around here is the hypothalamus and mammillary bodies. That's this part right here. Then this part right here, and optic chiasm. No wait, this is the mammillary body, optic chiasm, and this would be the pituitary gland. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Pituitary gland, and again, pons, medulla oblongata. No, this is the optic chiasm, and I don't think we see the pituitary gland here, but it should be like hanging around here.
Yeah.
By the hanging from the infundibulum, which I think we could say this is it, yeah. this is a cast of what the ventricles would be.
The thalamus.
This isn't actually a thing, a structure. This is just where the
This is the.
you have the cerebral spinal fluid just flowing through in the brain. These two would be the lateral ventricles, first and second. This is the third ventricle, which connects to the cerebral aqueduct, and then this would be the fourth ventricle.